Those came out super delicious, man. Oh yeah. Mm. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video I decided to make some smoked wings right here. So I put this in the fridge like about 2 hours ago. I put salt, pepper, oil and a little bit of paprika. It's good to have this few hours before, but if you don't have time and just want to do it right now, you can put this in the bag for like 30 minutes, at least 30 minutes. So yeah, got nice and marinated all over. So put this aside. Right here I have the briquettes. I'm gonna build up a snake. So it's been a while since I built a snake. So this snake we're gonna help with managing the temperature and have a nice clean constant temperature and nice burn with pieces of wood chunks in top. So I'm gonna build this snake like right here. This snake should hold like at least 3 hours, but we'll see. And first you do is just put some pieces like that, and then I just so I got some briquettes in here. I bought this from I think Lidl. I paid five bucks for almost 20 pounds bag, so they burn really good. So I'm gonna use a double snake like this. So just build your way up like this. So let's see. Yep. There we go. Yep, like this. So you're just gonna build as much as you want, and then I'm gonna put one more like on top like this. Oops. So and then I'm gonna lit up few charcoal briquettes. I'm gonna put them in here, put the grates on, put the lid back on, and just wait till it's gonna get to the 250 degrees. So let me finish this and I'll be right back. Alright, so I built up the snake in here. As you can see, it's not that long, but this should be good for at least 3 hours. I have a few briquettes in here. Well, let me get my fire starters. Alright, I'm back. So I'm using these fire starters. I think there's the best price for the value. 7 bucks and you have 72 pieces. This is gonna run me for 6 months. So let's see. I hate those stuff, man. I don't know how to open these things. Well, that's how I open it. So get one little cube like this, the lighter. I have a Weber chimney in here. Let me light it up. Okay. Move this so it's more like a stack. There we go. Alright, let me zoom out. There we go. Okay, so for the wood, let me keep the camera on my end so I can see what myself. So for the wood, I have this pecan barbecue cooking chunks. It says very strong, 100% natural. Already feel this smoke. So I'm gonna get a few chunks like this. I'm gonna just put it along the snake like this. There we go. Probably one more. Kind of big, but it should work. Not so big. Smaller. There we go. This bird smells good and sweet. All right. Put this aside. Yeah. So that's the wings I have. I bought 3 pounds, so it should be around almost 30 wings in here. Yep. Okay. Let the fire, this briquettes to start. It's gonna be hot. I'm gonna put it over there, start the snake, and we'll go from there. Alright guys, see you back in a second. Oh, forgot about my gloves. Alright. So while this charcoal is getting ready, I have some potatoes in here. I'm not sure if you can see. Right. So I just put salt and pepper, and I wash them, put salt and pepper, and then put it in the foil. This is gonna be a good side for the smoked wings. I'm gonna put this in here. They should be done by the time the wings are done. This takes a while. They need to be cooked till 205 internal. Well, fire is almost ready, so it's a good, nice Sunday today, guys. It's good for cooking and smoking wings. Also, I recently cleaned my grill in here, so if you wanna watch the video, please go back to my videos and watch it. It's very helpful if you wanna clean your grill and stuff. So yeah, I cannot jungle. I don't want to lose it. Okay. That's a closer look to the wings in here. They look super nice. Impressed. When this is gonna be done, almost done, I'm gonna get some barbecue sauce on a few of them and just brush it down with barbecue sauce, and they're gonna glaze up super nice. But yeah, let me show you a closer look on the inside. Snake. Let me get some smoke on the camera too, right there. But yeah, I cleaned this right here. It's perfect, no scratches at all, and it's very clean. Look at that. Gotta love Weber products. Alright. Alright, this briquettes look ready, so here we go. Okay, let me put this aside. Nice. Alright, let me arrange all this with the beginning of the snake over here. Nice. Those should be good enough, so they're gonna lead the snake up slowly but surely. Put this aside, okay. Get the grates on spot right here. Nice. Bottom there, bottom end I'll do like halfway, and close this lid right here, and open this right here, fully open. Now I'm gonna wait for the temperature to be around 200, 250. That's gonna take a few minutes, so till the snake is gonna catch on fire, and then I'm probably gonna adjust the vents in here, and we'll be ready. It's ready for these bad boys right here. Oh yeah. Meanwhile, I'm gonna have some beers. Alright, guys. Alright, so it looks like temperature is around 220 right now, so it's good. Alright, let's take a look. Look at this. Very nice. Well, now it's time to put those on. Well, I need to get my my little tool. Alright, back. Can go without this. So my plan is to dump this in here. I'm just gonna arrange them. Let's see. There we go. Smells so good. Alright, let's see. Just like this. It's a lot of wings in here. There we go. Well, want to make more space in between. There we go, looks good. Let me give you guys a closer look. There we go. What you guys think? Snake started right there. Got the firewood in there for the smoke. That's they have very nice seasoning on the wings. Look at this. Alright, I'm gonna close the lid back. So the vent should be above the wings, so the smoke is in there, comes through the wings and comes up. So something like this. So we're gonna watch on this for now. I'll be back in 30 minutes, 45 minutes with an update to guys. Alright, thank you. Alright guys, so it's been about an hour. Temperature is nice and steady. Let's take a look. Already changing colors and everything. I also put the potatoes in. But yeah, this is looking very good so far. Let me take a look at one of them. Nice. Alright. I'll be back with a few updates soon. Thank you. Alright everyone, so it's been like around an hour 45, 2 hours. Oof, lot of smoke in here. Take a look. Look at this. Let me see if I can move the camera more, a little bit lower maybe. There we go. Let me check on the temperature real quick. So chicken usually is done around at 165 internal. So 145, 150. Let me check another one. Right here. It's around 150. So I'll close the lid back for another 5 minutes, and I'll be right back with the sauce. Alright. And also potatoes. They look good so far. Alright guys, you got the barbecue sauce. You can use any barbecue sauce. I'm using Sweet Baby Ray barbecue sauce. You don't have to use sauce. You can use hot sauce, buffalo sauce, or just either like that. So I like to put this sauce in there, so it's gonna glaze up. Alright, let's see. There we go. Yeah, chicken is done at 165, so it's about ready. I'm gonna put all this sauce in here, let it chill 10 minutes, turn it around for another 5 minutes, put some more, and that should do it. It's one of my favorite barbecue sauce. It's got like a smoky flavor to it. It's really good. Well, I'm not a painter, so it's gonna take some time. That looks good. I hope you guys can see it. I never did smoked wings before. I did hot and fast wings, spicy wings and all that, but never smoked wings. Well, I did half of them. I know I said I'm gonna do just half, but they look so good. I wanna do it all of them. Also, potatoes are done at around 200 degrees internal. I'll check that soon. Okay. Oh yeah, look at those guys. My mouth is watering right now. Okay. Let me show you how close they're up. Let me take the camera out. I hope I don't drop it. Okay. Right here. Okay. I'm gonna close the lid back, wait another 5 minutes. Should be good. Alright. Let's take a look. Look at this. Let me flip the camera around. There we go. More down. Yes. It looks very good. Let me try to flick this around. All of them. Nice. It smells so good. Come on. There we go. Still a lot of traffic around here. Alright, last row right here. Nice. Nice. Alright, I'll put this closer. Okay. I get some more sauce. Almost ready with those. Got some left, so I'm gonna use it in here. Nice. All potatoes almost done as well, so there we go. Stay on the fire. And check the temperature really quick. Okay. It's getting there, it's almost done. Alright. I hope the fire should be much higher now, so they're gonna get more crispy. Alright. Be right back very soon. Alright guys, so I just took one out. They are ready, I'm gonna take them off. But yeah, that's let's see if I can focus. That's how they look like. Let me have a bite. Mm. So good. Mm. It's so juicy, like a lot of juice coming out. Oh yeah, it's good guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace. Those came out super delicious, man. Oh yeah. Mm.